How to install and use Docker on Windows. Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we're tackling Docker on Windows in just 2 minutes. You'll be ready to run containerized applications on your machine. Let's get started. Imagine tiny self-contained boxes that hold everything an application needs to run. That's Docker in a nutshell. Docker containers are lightweight and portable, making them perfect for development, testing, and deployment. To set sail with Docker on Windows, you'll need Windows 10 or 11 with WSL enabled. Don't worry, a quick web search will guide you on checking and enabling WSL2 if needed. Now head over to the Docker's website and download the free Docker desktop installer. Double-click it, and during setup, choose WSL2 for the best performance. During installation, you might be prompted to restore to your PC. That's perfectly normal. Once your system restarts and the installation finishes, fire up Docker desktop. It might take a moment to set things up in the background, but once it's running, you're ready to explore the world of Docker containers. Let's see Docker in action. Open a terminal window and type Docker ps to see if any containers are currently running. Most likely you'll have none yet. Now to get a feel for things, let's try running a simple web server container. Type Docker run hello world and press enter. This downloads and runs a pre-built container that displays a basic web page. That's just a taste of what Docker can do. There are millions of pre-built images available for various applications and functionalities. Explore Docker Hub, a vast library of container images to discover the possibilities. And there you have it. With Docker on Windows, you're ready to dive into the world of containerized. You're ready to dive into the world of containerized applications. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tutorials delivered fast.